Hello, this video will be one of 5 in a series that explains how to add inventory to your Firestorm website platform. There's extreme customization opportunities available when adding inventory, so today will be the first piece that we'll cover, which is the most common, and that is adding inventory by VIN decoding. Click Add Inventory from your Inventory tab. You'll type in the VIN that you would like to add to your website, and then you'll click Search. That will provide you with all of the vehicles that fall under that specific VIN pattern. You see here that there are 3 different style and trim options for us to choose from. So we'll simply select the correct one based on the VIN for the vehicle we're trying to add. Today I'll choose the General 1000 EPS Limited Edition. And by clicking Create, it's loading up that vehicle, including in the product type, the name normalization, the model number, and a display name. By decoding, I also receive description details, base MSRP, and factory color options, so I can choose which factory color option I would like to select for this particular model. If I'd like to update the price, I can simply type over this. Additionally, decoding by VIN provides me with specifications. You can view those standard specifications under Equipment and see which ones are provided by default for that particular VIN pattern. You can also see the images that are uploaded and provided for this particular vehicle. If you'd like to add your own images, you can add from a previous unit, you can upload images, or if you've made any changes you'd like to undo, you can simply restore the stock photos. And that is how you've added inventory to your website using VIN decoding. VIN decoding is only available for vehicles that have a valid 17-digit VIN in the power sports industry. So we can't decode automotive or RVs that don't have a VIN, or watercraft by VIN that has a whole number instead of VIN. So VIN decoding is the fastest and the most common option if you have a valid 17-digit VIN for your power sports vehicle.